Hello writers, this is LAC 480, the 11th week of the semester. This week you will be preparing a final draft of your paper. That means that you will be adding the introduction, the conclusion, and the abstract. You will also be sending it to me, where I will send it to your peers for one last peer review, the last peer review that we will do. You will be receiving your papers this week from me that I reviewed so far, if you haven't already. So I will show you from the syllabus. This is week 11, the week of November 6, 2017, and you can find this on the syllabus, but you can also find it on the discussion post number 11, and this is what it says. Complete the draft of your paper by adding the introduction, conclusion, abstract. Now, to help you in this endeavor, read chapter 14, introductions and conclusions, from this source, and you can click on this source and you will get this book called The Craft of Research. And if you read chapter 14, and it will tell you what an introduction is all about. Introduction is very important, but it's written usually at the last point of your paper because you have a good idea of what your paper is all about. So again, we're still draft form here, and then when you write your conclusion, it should be more than just a, okay, this is it, I'm done. Conclusion is where you can make a big impact on your paper, and you're writing to synthesize everything that you've done. It should be more than just one paragraph. It should be your ta-da moment, okay? Your ta-da moment. Think of that. I want your ta-da moment. So that's what you're going to be doing, and then so that will help you in writing your introduction and conclusion. Now, for your abstract and so on, you can read these sections from this source, and it's the Bedford Handbook. That used to be the book that we used to use in this class, and it still has some good sections on it, and that section will help you also on introductions, editing, and so on. So for editing, you can read sections 2A and 2B from this source. For formatting tips, read pages 724, 725, and 730 from this source. Okay, so this is all from the Bedford Handbook. Now, your document should include a complete draft of the body of the paper. Again, it's about 20 pages of text with a title, and remember your page numbers, so check the APA format on how to put the pages. Your most recent outline with the thesis statement on top, the abstract, and the complete references list. Make sure that's in APA format as well. You're going to complete this in a Word document, send it to me on my through email, and don't post it on Blackboard. It will be due on Friday, November 10th, 2017. And the document will be peer-reviewed by a classmate during the following week. That will be the work that you will do. So it is a large document at this point, so that will be your assignment for next week, and I'll explain that in the following week. So again, make sure that you follow, well, I don't know why I'm doing this right now, but make sure that you read these sections, the Craft of Research section on introduction and conclusion, and from the Bedford Handbook, read this. And 1E and 1G, and 2A and 2B, and pages 724 to 25, 730, and 810. Okay, so there's some reading in there, but it's to help you. Alright, so take advantage of it. I hope you have a good week. If you have any problems, you can still contact me. I'll listen, but if you have problems that are bigger than this paper, well, you can write to me, and I'll be a shoulder you can cry on. Goodbye.